I, A, A. B, at, bat. F, at, fat. B, a, n, ban. K, a, n, can. R, ag, rag. S, ag, sag. M, ap, map. R, ap, rap. L, ad, lad. P, ad, pad. B, egg, beg. L, egg, leg. B, et, bet. S, et, set. H, hen. D, den. W, ed, wed. R, ed, red. Hem. J, gem. B, bin. K, kin. R, rig. W, wig. B, bit. F, fit. D, dim. Him. S, sip. Z, zip. K, cub. Are you struggling to read and write perfectly? Send a message to the number you see on the screen to get the help you need. J, job. N, nod. R, rod. F, fog. L, log. J, jot. L, lot. T, ton. W, one. G, gut. N, not. Do you want to learn how to read and write on your own with ease? We can help you do that. Send a message to this number on WhatsApp and get the help you need. God bless you. G, gum. S, some. D, dug. H, hug. P, pub. S, sup. F, fun. S, sun. A, I, bat, fat, ban, can, rag, sag, map, rap, lad, pad. Beg, leg, bet, set, hen, den, wed, red. Gem. Bin, kin, rig, wig, bit, fit, dim, him, sip, zip. Cup, job, nod, rod, fog, log, jot, lot, ton, one. Gut, nut, gum, some, dog, hug, pub, sup, fun, sun. Gut, nut, gum, some, dog, hug, pub, sup, fun, sun. Keep learning. Don't forget to like, follow, and share with your friends. And if you need to learn more, you want to know how to read and write, send a message to us. You get the help you need. A, I, bat, beg, bin, cob, gut. Fat, leg, kin, job, nut. Ban, bet, rig, nod, gum. Can, set, wig, rod, some. Rag, hen, beat, fog, dug. Sag, den, feet, log, hug. Do you want to learn how to pronounce words like this? Do you want to learn how to write on your own? Send a message to us. We can help you. You are never too old to learn. Map, word, dim, gut, pup, rap, red, him, rap, red, him, lot, sup, lad, hem, sip, ton, fan, pad, gem, zip, one, sun. Send a message today. God bless you.